Hi, everybody, and welcome to Art Joyous Sharing. This is another week of Christmas preparation. So today, Shell and I did our live show, and she was making a Christmas present, and I was working on a number of different projects. Right now, you'll see that I have these images that I've stamped, and I'm just going to make some real easy Christmas cards using washi tape. Now, I know many of you have a stash of washi tape, and this is a real easy way of creating. The Christmas tree image that I have could be any of those holiday images that you have in your collection, a tree, a snowman, an angel, any of those kinds of things would work. So I just stamped and cut out that image, and now I'm using a card blank. I'm going to put some Yoo-hoo glue down on the background of this card because washi tape many times is notorious for not sticking real well. So I'm going to use a Yoo-hoo glue stick and adhere these pieces of tape to my cardstock just to make sure they stay in place. You know, when you're sending something through the mail and you've taken the time to make something handmade, um, take the time to add the additional glue and things so that it arrives in the way that you created it. You don't want something falling apart in the mail. So I'm going to use some dimensional adhesive on the back of this and pop it up off the page and add a few bits of bling. I've got some blingy stars and things from the dollar store, and I'm just going to use some glue that Shell had given me from ICrafts and adhere those little star bits to add, you know, it's seasonal. It's a holiday. You want some bling on your card front. So just adding those little stars. And this is a little sticker pickup. It's got a little bit of sticky on the end of it, and it's a handy tool to have when you're crafting. So that's my first card. I'll make several cards here, and then I'm going to move on to doing some jewelry bits. There's some more of those Dollar Tree blingy things that you can get. You can go to the craft store, but you know, check your dollar stores because many times there are things like this that are available there, and you might find a real bargain. So I'm going to fish out some of those little round dots to make ornaments on my Christmas tree and go back to my iCraft glue and just stick those ornaments on my tree. And there we have it. So right now I'm just telling you about Art Joyous Sharing because we have some things coming up that are new in the next year. We've got some other artists joining us that are going to be putting some video content out, maybe some blog posts about all the things that we do that, you know, maybe you're new to mixed media and you have a lot of questions and, um, you know, we're not total experts on all of this stuff, but it's kind of nice to have a resource. And so we're kind of creating a resource library for Art Joyous Sharing. And that way you'll be able to go back and when you have a question about using a particular product or how do I go about doing something, you may be able to go there and find a resource. So now I'm going to create using some tiles from the craft store and some dimensional adhesive. There are a number of different kinds of tiles that you can get. Just check out the aisle that has all of those tiles in it. This one, I'm showing you that I've just stuck a sticker onto an acrylic tile. I'm going to use some glass tiles and different types of things here, but you can create cute little embellishments just with your stamps and stickers, and you could create jewelry that's seasonal, or you can create something that would hang off of a journal. Lots of different choices for these little embellishments. So I'm just going to let you enjoy what we're doing here. I just want to tell you how much I appreciate your support and kindness throughout the year. And if you want to watch this whole video in its entirety, which is about an hour and a half, jump on over to Art Joy of Sharing, and you'll be able to find the entire show that we videotape live. So thanks for stopping by, guys, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.